Hello, how are you? Do you wake up early in the morning? Up. Do you follow a daily schedule? Do you attend meetings regularly? Do you speak with clients daily? Do you read business news every morning? Do you check your accounts every day? Do you visit different branches of your company? Do you check the stock and supplies? Do you reply to customer emails? Do you negotiate with suppliers? Do you approve important decisions? Do you take short breaks during work? Do you discuss plans with your team? Do you handle customer complaints? Do you work on a laptop in the office? Do you attend online meetings? Do you eat lunch at your desk? Do you visit clients personally? Do you keep track of profits and losses? Do you advertise your products or services? Do you manage time effectively? Do you stay late in the office? Do you delegate tasks to your staff? Do you face challenges at work daily? Do you stay updated with market trends? Do you train your staff regularly? Do you create business plans? Do you attend seminars or events? Do you check business reports daily? Do you supervise ongoing projects? Do you use social media for your business? Do you maintain a work-life balance? Do you motivate your employees? Do you sign important documents? Do you travel for business? Do you meet new business partners? Do you take customer feedback seriously? Do you focus on company growth? Do you invest in new ideas? Do you plan for future expansion? Do you update your business website? Do you use business software? Do you maintain good relationships with